Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to claim lost baggage on Frontier Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Frontier application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Frontier if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom side of the screen, we have the home where you can go and check your flights, book them. We have book a flight where you can also do that. Your trips, we have your flight status, and in the bottom right corner, we have the more options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and claim lost baggage on Frontier Airlines. So first of all, find a Frontier Airlines representative at your arrival airport and report you lost your baggage immediately, from the second that you, of course, realize that you have lost it. Then fill out the lost baggage claim form of the Frontier Airlines website. You'll need your 10-character file, reference, number, and last name. Then, if you can't resolve the issue at the airport, contact the Frontier Airlines Central Baggage Office for assistance. Keep in touch with Frontier Airlines to track the status of your claim and ensure your baggage is returned to you as soon as possible. For more information, you can also visit the Frontier Airlines baggage page. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.